Our Living Nation, we in the building, stand up. I'm just gonna drop some jewels on y'all today. Let y'all know that what's going on in this YSL trial. I know y'all like me. We've been watching this trial for a long time. It's been going on for like 18 months. And in these 18 months, we done seen a lot of mistrial prosecution, mistrial conduct. We done even seen some foul conduct from the judge. And these defendants was wanting a mistrial because of some secret meetings that the judge was having with the DA. Now, I think they brought in Kayla Bumpus to talk about the record. They want to clear Judge Glanville's name and his reputation as far as this meeting and his stenographer not recording the entire meeting, to where some of these defense attorneys were saying that parts of this ex parte meeting was redacted. Now, if they were being redacted, that means the stenographer is in trouble. That means the judge is in trouble. That means the prosecution is in trouble. That means these people can go to jail. The judge's reputation can be destroyed. The stenographer reputation can be destroyed. Now, is that what's happening here? Now, they bringing in Kayla Bumpus to get some of her testimony about, it's gonna be, the judge is trying to make this a limited probe to where they can just ask her certain things and about the ex parte meeting. But what the judge is really doing, reason why she want her to get up there, is so she can explain away the judge's role in this ex parte meeting, in the stenographer role in this ex parte meeting.
That conversation, that was off the record. That was without the transcript being transcribed.
Yes.
Let's clarify who is in the room at this point in time.
Okay. Who is in the room? And again, let me just...
Now, you heard what he said. He already setting the stage for them to say that it was off the record. The judge had nothing to do with this. But they whole motion for mistrial rests solely on the judge, the prosecution having some type of cahoots towards the defendants. So why would they want their lawyer to set the stage for that? A lot of them is involved. They all friends, y'all. Don't think these people don't know each other. They in that courtroom every day. This their job. You don't have to know everybody at your job, but the players that's involved in this know each other. So they set the stage for, to say the judge wasn't in the room. This was off record. So the judge did nothing wrong.
Just make clear on this. I only want you to speak about conversations that you had with Mr. Copeland that are not privileged, where, for example, someone from the state was in the room. Do you understand?
For sure.
Okay. When there was a portion of that meeting that was not recorded on transcript, who was in the room?
Myself, Mr. Copeland, and Simone Hilton.
Who else? If anyone.
I don't know, all the deputies.
Why is this lawyer beating around the bush? Could y'all tell me why wouldn't this lawyer remember who was all in that room at every stage of this proceeding that y'all had? Every stage of this meeting. But they already told her, We here to clear Judge Glanville before I announce a mistrial, or we let this trial continue and these people get an appeal. They done hid the videos. We all know a stenographer, their duty is to transcribe everything being said in an ex parte meeting or in this courtroom, and they type so fast, they don't type what you doing. Like a person would text you WYD, what you doing. They won't spell it out for you. But a stenographer also has a recorder that she press record on. So they want you to explain away, and you say, oh, you don't recall who was all in the room. You don't remember who was all in the room when y'all was having these discussions. But you better tell the part that, you know, the little piece of Brady that the defense is fighting, trying to get out of her. A little piece of Brady, so they could say, well, see, that was Brady material, wasn't disclosed to us, and blah, 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 and ex parte. That, you know, this shit is crazy, man. You can't let your lawyers do that. Put your lawyer in the ass if he ever try to do something like that. Because a lot of y'all probably done been in them type situations and didn't know this type of shit even happened. So Brian Steele is the one who brought this forward, and now we could think it's for the public to believe that this done happened in probably every trial that ever went on in America. Every trial that went on in America probably have these secret meetings to where they ain't gonna tell you what was discussed, and the judge is right there. He was in that room, but she can't say for sure he was in that room because they told her, we'll put your black ass in jail too. Before all them crooks go to jail, you know, crooks, they start folding on each other real quick. They fold like lawn chairs. So let's get back to it, and y'all get down in the comment section. Let me know where your take, what you talking about. Now the judge is gonna, for the rest of this, it's just whack. I'm not gonna go through all this, but I'm pretty much sure y'all got the point that the whole point of this hearing that was allowed by this judge is the only explain away Judge Glanville's role in this ex parte meeting, which is illegal in itself. It's already illegal. These defense attorneys didn't even have to go through this hoopla of a circus to do all this. Now, y'all could watch this. I'm going to have the link down in the description. Y'all can watch the whole thing for yourself. And then, you know, I want y'all to understand that when you're in situations like this, you don't want some old soft ass lawyer. You don't want a crooked ass judge. You don't want a crooked ass DA to be presiding over your case. I say fuck the lawyer, fuck the judge, fuck the DA. That's what it is. It is what it is at this point, man. Let them dudes come home. I mean, they messed this trial up. Not the defense. The defense ain't called not one witness, but this lady, I guess they call her. And the only reason they call her is to get out that it was a meeting. The meeting did happen. Now, there's an unofficial transcript. Not the transcript that Judge Glanville, court reporter, when judge say on the record, we're going on the record. We're off the record. We're officially off the record. We're officially on the record. There's an unofficial transcript to all these proceedings, because whatever she don't type down, it's in her recorder. Now, is the recorder in question? No. They brought her up there to say, did they threaten little Woody? Y'all watch it for yourself. She said it. So she did. The defense got out what they wanted to get out. But what they did was they let Judge Glanville off the hook, him and his court reporter, because that goes into other cases as well. Those DAs, it go into you know, the DA office has always been crooked. Everybody that works in the DA office know they crooked. I mean, the law is in black and white, man. My point to this whole thing, the educational purposes, is don't get in trouble. Because you do not want to face these type people in that courtroom. You do not want to have Miss Love on your motherfucking ass about nothing. I give her props, man. I give Miss Love her props. As a DA, I would not want to face her. But I know she ain't a good debater. I know she stumbles over a lot of things as well. But she's doing that because she don't want to get in trouble. She just ain't talking as fast as me right now. But you do not want her on your heels. You don't want Miss Hilton on your heels. You don't want that white boy on your heels. You do not want them defense attorneys on your heels. And you can look at Kayla Bumpus' face right now. She look like she's terrified of Miss Love. And the question she want to ask her. But Miss Love is going to go way deeper into that than the defense was able to. So guess what? This judge here is also biased. That's my take on it, man. Outliving Nation, man. Y'all already know. Holy Nike in the building. Stand up. Represent. Yo, y'all go stream the Underdog Network, man, on Roku. When it's all said